A hair dryer is an electrical device used to dry and style hair. Hair dryers may be used with a variety of brushes and combs to achieve different hairstyles. Many of these dryers have normal mode buttons that turns off the heater and blow room temperature air while the button is pressed. Many hair dryers feature ionic operation to reduce the buildup of static electricity in the hair through the efficiency of ionic technology. When the warm air reaches wet hair, it helps evaporate the water. Hair dryer make the hair smooth, stylish. Now let's start the review about different hair dryers. The first one is Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. The Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer is engineered to protect hair from extreme heat damage with fastest drying and controlled styling to help increase smoothness by 75%, increase shine by up to 132%. The small powerful Dyson Digital V9 6 times faster than other hair dryer motors. It combined with air multiple technology. It produces high pressure, high velocity jet of control air for fast drying and styling. Intelligent heat measures is a part of Dyson that measure air flow temperature 40 times to prevent extreme heat. Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer is a good engineer for different hair types with a powerful digital motor for fast drying and intelligent heat control to help protect your shine. Dyson has turned convention on its head and put the motor in the handle, completely rebalancing the dryer's weight and shape. The Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer is smoothing nozzle, styling connector, diffuser, non-slip mat. It also defines your curls. The dryer comes with magnetic attachment so you can adjust quickly and easily. Dry and style your hair at the same time with gentle, low-velocity airflow. The wide, thin design of the styling concentrator creates a high-velocity blade of air that's perfect for styling. And because the air is focused, you can style one section at a time without disturbing the rest. Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer is 100% worth you regularly style your hair. The small, powerful Dyson Digital Motor V9 combined with air multiplier technology produces a high-velocity jet of control air for the fastest drying and precision styling. Supersonic Hair Dryer includes gift edition that is complimentary display stand. It also helps prevent extreme heat damage. Through research on hair, Dyson has engineered a range of attachment designed to style different hair types. It is also available in lightweight and balance. Its powerful motor is tuned to produce one audible frequency. Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer is one of the best hair dryers in the market, although it comes at a very hefty price. Engineered to disperse air evenly around your curls, the diffuser simulates neutral drying, helping to reduce frizz and define curl and waves. Second is Bio-Ionic Gold Pro Dryer. This lightweight professional dryer harnesses the power of bio-ionic moisturizing heat to create beautiful frizz-free styles while protecting the health of your hair. The ultra-powerful 1875W motor and ceramic barrel infused with gold MX, it delivers superior shine and conditioning and reduced drying time. This award-winning dryer is essential for everyday healthy. For a smoother blowout, utilize the nozzle and blow the air down the hair shaft as you dry. This is an excellent hair dryer, powerful, easy to operate and durable. Dry hair with millions of neutral ions to eliminate static electricity and leave hair shiny. Gold Pro Dryer is a part of the Gold Pro styling collection. The 24K Gold ensures constant even heat distribution throughout each tool, while the ceramic mineral complex infuses moisture deep into the hair. It is lightweight, dry long, fine hair without damage. It is comfortable to hold and not really loud. It was worth paying a little more for a good dryer. Bio-Ionic Gold Pro Air Dryer. Ionic technology, adjustable heat setting, dryer attachment, cool tip, dual voltage diffuser. 24K Gold in dryer barrel for even heat distribution, providing superior shine and collection. 1200 watts infuses moisture deep into the hair, giving it a healthy, superior shine. This blow dryer is a bomb. It also provides adjustable heat, adjustable speed. Now let's talk about important hair dryer, that is Gingree 1875 watt professional salon hair dryer. It is used for fast hair drying. With 1875 watt AC motor, high power performance lets your hair dry 50% faster compared to the other hair dryers. With 1875 watt AC motor, high power performance lets your hair dry 50% faster compared to other hair dryers. It is especially for thick and long hair. It includes advanced technology and best for every style. A professional hair styling tool with 3 heat 2-speed settings. This blow dryer style suitable for frizzy hair or straight hair. Professional hair salon AC motor salon dryer is a 3 longer more compared to DC motor. It contains 2.65 meter salon cable with hanging loop and easy to use. Professional salon hair dryer is a 5-minute quick dry. It also includes less drying time and longer lasting life. Use diffuser to lift the curly and wavy hair and prevent your hair being tangled, frizzy and unmanageable. The concentrator for smooth and shiny styles. It contains far infrared and negative ionic technology which make hair more moisture, silky, smooth effect, and also protect it deeply from damage and dullness. People love this blow dryer. It is lightweight and easy to use. High quality hair dryer, and due to drying power is great and it's very easy to use. People also use because dry hair quickly. It is easy to clean, durable to use. It includes some ionic technology. Generate negative ions which smooth hair and lock in moisture. Professional long life AC motor. 1875 watt ultra strong wind lets your hair dry within a few minutes, less noise. Number 4 is Revlon One Step Dryer. The Revlon One Step Hair Dryer is a design hot air brushes to deliver gorgeous volume and brilliant shine in a single step. The unique overbrush design smooth hair while the rounded edges quickly create volume at the root and beautifully full-bodied curls at the end in a single pass. Revlon One Step Hair Dryer solves the thick hair problem easily. Unique overbrush design for smoothing the hair while the rounded edge create volume. Unique overbrush design for smoothing the hair while the round edges create volume. It designed with nylon pin tufted bristles for dangling, improved volume and control. Unlike conventional hair dryers, this volumizer can be placed closer to the scalp for lift. The unique overbrush design quickly creates volume at the root and beautifully full-bodied curl at the end in a single pass. For salon at home. Boosted by ionic technology, hair dries fast and help to reduce heat damage. Whether you are just drying your hair or styling it, will definitely save you home. Will definitely save your time. We also found that it made our hair look much sleeker and shinier. The brush has ionic technology that helps to give faster drying time while making the hair feel silky, smoothy and look extra shiny. It also has a ceramic coating that helps to protect the hair. Panasonic hair dryer. It's also a professional hair dryer with professional quality. Panasonic hair dryer 1000 times more moisturizes your hair. The hair dryer draws in moisture from the air to create an infused nano-sized moisture-rich nano particles directly into the hair shaft. It also includes a featured 1875 watt power, cool shoot button, removable, easy clean filter, and professional length 9-foot rotating power with convenient hanging loop. Nano dryer provides 2-speed temperature setting for different styles and drying times. Panasonic nano dryers faster, add volume, minimizes freeze and reduce damage to your hair from everyday brushing. Panasonic nano hair dryer allows you to choose hot, warm or cool setting to adjust to different hair types and styles for fast, even drying. And the cool shoot button helps set your style more quickly. It is also available in 2-speed mode. Quickly and thoroughly clean the Panasonic hair dryer, easy to remove filter, help keep your Panasonic nano hair dryer operating at peak performance. Beautifying nano not only helps strengthen and protect hair against damage from heat and everyday brushing, but also supplement the hair's natural moisture to leave hair noticeably shinier, healthy and smooth. If you like this product and want to purchase, then click on the link that is below in the description.